I have a lot of excuses when I'm putting something out there. I even have excuses for why I can't go to the beach. It's too far, it's too crowded, the weather's not good enough. I'm trying to overcome the excuses.
This is not safe. This is not safe.
If you don't know who Abbie Hoffman is, look him up. He was a yippie in the 60s, labeled an anarchist, and ultimately published a book after being rejected 30 times by publishers. 30 times is a lot of times to be rejected. He started his own publishing company called Pirate Editions. I think the spirit of that is something I admire. So I want to create a board that's kind of communal and can be shared with beachgoers and hopefully turn it into more of sort of an art project or an experiment.
An underwater volcano erupted off the South Pacific island of Tonga.
I was originally going to go to the beach, but apparently an underwater volcano has prevented that mission. A flock of parrots flying over me right now. And a volcano has prevented me from going to the beach.